Welcome to Nestlé Health Science cooking series. My name is Natalie and this video will show you how to make puree fish and puree semolina chips with vegetables.
You will need 1 can of RESOURCE THICKENUP Clear, 1 bulk scoop, 1 can of Saustagen Hospital Formula Active Neutral, 500 grams of pureed fish mixed with, for example, bechamel sauce to reach the right consistency, 250 grams of semolina, water, milk, butter, 500 grams of pureed carrots, 500 grams of pureed beans, baking paper, a flat tray, a fish food mould, a bean food mould, spatulas, a fluted cutter and a hand mixer or blender. Add 3 to 4 bulk scoops of RESOURCE THICKENUP Clear to the pureed fish and stir to combine. Add additional liquid such as bechamel sauce if needed to achieve the desired consistency. Combine and test the mixture with a spoon. The sample should fall off easily with little food left on the spoon. The product should not be firm or sticky. Prepare the fish mould using cooking spray, then place the fish into the mould using a spatula and place into the freezer. Mix up water, milk, butter and semolina in a pot on low heat until a smooth puree consistency is achieved. Add additional liquid if needed to achieve the desired consistency. Transfer the semolina blend to a bowl and add 1 to 2 bulk scoops of RESOURCE THICKENUP Clear. Combine until the mixture holds its shape on a spoon. The sample should fall off easily with little food left on the spoon. The product should not be firm or sticky. Using a flat tray lined with baking paper, spread the semolina out evenly to the desired thickness. Place the tray into the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes to set firm. Then remove from the freezer and cut into the desired shape. Add 3 to 4 bulk scoops of RESOURCE THICKENUP Clear to the pureed carrots. Add additional liquid if needed to achieve the desired consistency. Combine until the mixture holds its shape on a spoon. The sample should fall off easily with little food left on the spoon. The product should not be firm or sticky. Lay a pureed carrot mixture between the baking paper to form an even layer, approximately ½ an inch thick. Place the mixture into the freezer for 1 hour to set. Once set, take out of the freezer and using a fluted cutter, cut carrot rings out. Cut carrots can then be plated, heated and served, or placed back into the freezer. Add 3 to 4 bulk scoops of RESOURCE THICKENUP Clear to the pureed beans. Add additional liquid if needed to achieve the desired consistency. Combine until the mixture holds its shape on a spoon. The sample should fall off easily with little food left on the spoon. The product should not be firm or sticky. Lightly spray the mould casing using cooking spray. Then put the beans into a mould using a spatula and place into the freezer. Once frozen, remove from the freezer and push the bean mixture out of the mould casing. Plate the frozen pureed food on either individual plates or on a large tray for bulk delivery. Cover the food, for example, foil, and heat in a combi or conventional oven until a core temperature of 75 degrees Celsius or above is reached, approximately 20 to 45 minutes. Check texture suitability for swallowing safely before serving. The end product should be tested to ensure suitability for a texture-modified diet. Testing can be undertaken using IDDSI testing methods. for example IDDSI spoon tilt test and IDDSI fork pressure test.